Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best indoor dryer vent is probably one of the most important purchases you will make for your home, especially if you have a gas dryer and limited exterior venting options. This video will guide you through the process of selecting the right indoor vent for your gas dryer, covering crucial factors such as safety, efficiency, and ease of installation, to ensure your laundry experience is both convenient and safe. Number 5. ADR BetterVent Indoor Dryer Vent. Say goodbye to messy water buckets and hello to clean, efficient drying. BetterVent's innovative design eliminates the need for water, saving you time and effort. It's built with durable, high-quality materials right here in the USA. This ensures long-lasting performance and a superior drying experience. It helps you save energy and money by returning warm air back into your home. Dry your clothes faster and reduce your energy bills, especially during colder months. The double filter system traps lint, dust, pet hair, and more, keeping your indoor air clean and healthy. Enjoy a healthier home environment for you and your family. It features a safety vent flap that automatically opens if airflow is restricted, preventing overheating. It alerts you when it's time to clean the filters, ensuring safe and efficient operation. Everything you need for quick and easy installation is included. The kit comes with instructions, mounting hardware, and extra filters for extended use. What we like? This indoor dryer vent boasts a unique double filter system that requires no water, saving you the hassle of messy cleanups and potential mold growth. It also cleverly recycles warm air back into the room, saving you energy, especially during colder months. If you value convenience, energy savings, and American-made quality, this is the perfect choice for you. What people say? So easy to install and works great. I've used other types of dryer vents with bad results. This one was simple to install and easy to clean the filter, keeps lint residue from flying all over my garage. First, make sure you install a few inches below any ceiling or shelf. Overall I am happy. Filter must be cleaned every 3 to 5 loads. But it is very simple. The trap works as expected. The cleaning is easy. The 4-screw installation was easy. Our dryer dries clothes in one run. They are hot, fresh, and wrinkle-free. No more damp, smelly clothes. My wife is the one who installed it and it literally took her only 15 minutes. Number 4. FUNMAS 3-in-1 Indoor Dryer Vent. This innovative dryer vent offers a 3-in-1 filtration system for superior lint and dust removal, keeping your home clean and safe. It's designed for easy cleaning and maintenance, making it a breeze to keep your dryer running efficiently. Cleaning it is a snap. Simply open the door, remove the lint, and empty the water drawer. The stainless steel screen is reusable, and replacement polyester filters are included. Its unique upward design prevents lint from clogging your air duct and allows warm air to recirculate, saving you energy, especially during colder months. A built-in safety vent flap automatically opens if the filters become clogged, preventing overheating and protecting your dryer. Calibration weights are included for optimal installation. It's easy to install on a flat wall or directly on your dryer. Remember to clean the filter and water drawer regularly, every 2 to 3 loads, for best results. Using it with an aluminum duct is recommended. With its superior filtration, energy-saving design, and safety features, this dryer vent provides peace of mind and a healthier home environment. Get yours today. What we like? This 3-in-1 system offers versatility with its stainless steel screen, polyester filter, and water drawer, allowing you to choose the best cleaning method for your needs. The easy-to-clean design minimizes maintenance time, and its upward air outlet prevents lint from blocking the air duct. If you prioritize ease of use and efficient energy conservation, this is the ideal option for you. What people say? Extremely easy to install and works like a charm. It allows for high flow air from the dryer to come through easily. No lint. The water trap is extremely helpful. Not a single tiny piece of lint or dust escapes this contraption. My dryer functions efficiently while drying even the heaviest fabrics, jeans, towels, blankets. Super easy to install and it does not require you to stick it out the window. Number 3. Vent Lint Trap Dryer Kit. Say goodbye to dryer lint buildup and hello to a healthier home environment. This innovative kit makes capturing and cleaning lint easier than ever before. It features a patented fine stainless steel screen and water drawer system. This ensures efficient lint capture and effortless cleaning. The durable stainless steel screen is built to last, eliminating the need for replacements. Enjoy years of reliable performance. It recycles heat from your dryer, reducing your environmental impact and saving you money on utility bills. It's a win-win. Cleaning is a breeze. Simply rotate the knob, scrape off the lint, and empty the water drawer. It's that easy. This dryer vent kit is proudly made in the USA, ensuring high-quality materials and construction. You're investing in lasting value. What we like? This dryer vent features a durable stainless steel screen that never needs replacing, saving you money and reducing waste in the long run. The simple cleaning system makes maintenance a breeze, and its design helps to recycle heat from your dryer. If you value longevity, convenience, and cost savings, this is the perfect fit for you. What people say. The engineering drives the lint into the water in the tray at the bottom, and the wiper effectively cleans the screen filter above the water. It's easy to handle and does the job nicely. It works perfectly, that is, if you clean it regularly, of course, and it continues to help us breathe relatively lint-free air. This thing solves the third problem in an elegant way, catching the lint in a fine metal screen so it doesn't blow all over your room. It is also directional, meaning you can point the heat and moisture in a specific direction, rather than letting it just leak out everywhere. Number 2. HouseShape Indoor Dryer Vent Kit. Setting it up is a breeze. It only takes about 2 minutes to assemble. You'll be drying clothes in no time. Cleaning is simple. The drawer design lets you easily access and clean the filters with a quick pull and push. Save money on replacements. The filters are reusable, so you only need to replace them when they're heavily soiled. It uses the same high-quality filters found in car cabin air conditioners. This ensures your home air stays clean and fresh. The corrugated filters have a much larger surface area than other brands. This means better airflow and faster drying times. This kit helps to purify the air in your home while also saving energy by improving the efficiency of your dryer. What we like? This indoor dryer vent is designed for quick and easy installation, making setup a breeze. The drawer-style design simplifies maintenance, and its high-quality filters ensure efficient lint removal. If you are looking for a simple, efficient, and easy-to-maintain solution, this is the one for you. What people say. The vent kit came essentially ready to go. Just had to screw the two halves together, bang in 2 nails at the right distance apart, connect the dryer vent and hang it on the wall. Works as expected. I like that it has 2 filters and 3 openings for the hot air to escape so the dryer is not throttled. Used to get errors on dryer that venting was obstructed, but not with this kit. I have used other kits that would build up moisture around the kit. Have had no error codes with use of this house-shaped kit and no moisture problems. This works great. Easy to install, the filter is a huge help and it collects the stuff that vents so well we use it as fire starter for the fireplace. Number 1. Dundas Jafine TDIDVKZW Dryer Vent Kit. Introducing the solution for venting your electric clothes dryer indoors. It's perfect when outdoor venting isn't an option. It comes with everything you need, a 4-inch by 5-foot Proflex duct, a lint reservoir, and adjustable clamps for a secure fit. This kit is perfect for apartments, condos, RVs, or any space where outdoor venting isn't feasible. It offers a safe and convenient solution. The Proflex duct is UL approved, ensuring safe and reliable dryer venting. Your safety is our priority. Remember, it's only for use with electric dryers. It's not suitable for gas dryers. Please check compatibility before use. This kit is designed for easy installation, making it a convenient solution for your indoor dryer venting needs. Simple steps for a quick setup. What we like? This complete kit comes with everything you need for quick and easy installation, including a 5-foot dryer duct. It's perfectly suited for apartments and condos where outdoor venting isn't an option. If you need a simple, convenient solution for indoor venting, this is the right choice for you. What people say. I used this hose and combined it with my existing hose and setup was a cinch. My dryer does not let a lot of lint through and the water on the bottom will catch anything it does make. It is sturdy and works well. This indoor vent is affordable and it seems to work well, although my Panda clothes dryer has such good lint filters that almost no lint escapes to go into this device. It looks sturdy and should last quite a long time. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.